Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to you display and brightness setting on Samsung phone. Friends, you want to use display brightness setting on Samsung phone. So how do you display brightness setting today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to use display brightness setting. After on phone setting, friends, click on display setting. So as you can see, display setting one by one, and friends, step by step we will talk about display setting. First friends, you can see light mode and dark mode. Friends, you want to use dark mode on your Samsung phone, you can on dark mode, and friends you can use dark mode setting on your Samsung phone. Friends, you don't want to use, so you can off from left side. Friends, you can see dark mode setting. Friends, you want to on your dark mode schedule time, you can on schedule time and you can set your schedule time. Friends, click on custom schedule and you can set your custom schedule time from here. You want to set to a sunset to sunrise, you can set from here. So I will off schedule time. Second, friends, you can see brightness setting. Friends, you want to increase brightness, you want to decrease brightness, you can increase decrease, you can adjust brightness from here. Third friends, adaptive brightness. Friends, if you on adaptive brightness, friends, your phone brightness will decrease, brightness will increase automatic according to your environment. Friends, you can see fourth option is screen smooth option. Friends, you want to change your screen refresh rate, so you can change into high, and you want to set into normal, so you can set and you can apply for here guys. As you can see, it's smooth screen will off. So friends, you want to use your high screen refresh rate, you can set from here guys. Friends, eye comfort shield, you want to on miss eyes protection mode settings, so you can on and you can use. Friends, you can see keep your eyes comfortable by limiting blue light and using warmer colors. So friends, you want to use your eye comfort shield, you can on and you can use. So you should on at night friends. So as now we will off it. Friends, you can see screen mode. Friends, you want to change your Samsung phone screen color mode, so you can change your screen color mode from here, warm color, cool color, you can change from here. Friends, you want to change your font size. Friends, you want to change your font style, so you can change font style from here. Friends, you want to on bold font, so you can on your Samsung phone bold font and you can off from here. Friends, increase zoom setting. Friends, you want to change your display size, so you can change display size from here. Friends, you can see screen timeout setting. Friends, you want to change your Samsung phone screen timeout, so you can change from here. Friends, you can use here easy mode setting also. Friends, navigation bar setting is here. You can use your swipe gesture setting and you can use your button navigation setting from here. So this is main setting on your display and you can use on your Samsung mobile. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. Now you have any doubt on your display setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.